In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Evernote. If you're someone who relies on Evernote to keep your ideas, notes, and to-dos organized, you'll know how important it is to have your information synced across all your devices. Sometimes, though, you may notice that certain notes or changes don't update immediately. So today, we're going to walk through a simple yet effective way to refresh Evernote and ensure everything is up to date. Let's get started. Keeping your notes synced is crucial for maintaining an organized workflow, especially if you're switching between multiple devices or just want to ensure you have the latest updates. Fortunately, Evernote makes it quite straightforward to manually refresh and sync your notes. All you need is a quick combination of keys, depending on your operating system. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and R together. If you're on a Mac, it's CMD and R. This action prompts Evernote to reload everything. Essentially, this combination can be thought of as giving Evernote a little nudge to check for any updates or changes that might not have been synced automatically. It reloads your notebooks, checks in with the Evernote servers, and makes sure that everything is aligned. Now, you might be wondering why you need to manually refresh at all. In an ideal scenario, Evernote should sync automatically whenever you're connected to the internet. However, sometimes network issues, background application restrictions, or simply minor glitches can prevent that from happening as seamlessly as we'd like. That's exactly where this manual refresh comes in handy. It's a reliable way to ensure your digital workspace is current, particularly when you're working on collaborative notes or moving between web and app versions. Additionally, performing a manual refresh is an excellent habit to cultivate, especially before shutting your device down or switching off Evernote. This ensures that any local changes you made are uploaded to the cloud and accessible from anywhere else you plan to log in from. Remember, syncing is not just about having the latest version on your device. It's about peace of mind, knowing your information is secure and readily accessible. By taking a few seconds to refresh manually, you can avoid potential headaches and save time in the long run. So next time you find yourself questioning whether all your notes have synced properly, just press those keys, Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on your Mac. It's a simple but effective method to keep Evernote running smoothly. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found this tip helpful in enhancing your Evernote experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and tips. Until next time, stay organized.